Hi, Stan with 3D PT. So there's a incredible AI machine learning tool that Google puts out called Teachable Machine. And this is a cool way to have your students actually explore artificial intelligence and what it takes to program AI or machine learning. And so there's three modes. There's image, audio, and pose. So image you could use to train something like an Arduino board to sort objects. Audio could go off voice commands, and pose could look for different things. So I'll run you through a quick version of that. So earlier I trained Teachable Machine to tell the difference between a plier and a pen. And so to do that over here, you have to collect a lot of image samples. And all you do is you rotate whatever object through and record and sample them. So right now it'll do pliers. I can trick it a little bit by going like this and getting it to possibly look like a pin. And so it shows the degrees of confidence down here, or percent confidence on what that object is. So when you train, start by using very contrasting high definition objects, because I could put both together and that might trip it up a little bit. And you can see how the percentage confidence changes. So from pin to plier based on that. So that's image. Audio, it's registers background noise, and so you have to take 2-second samples. So I could say on, off, off, and it will sample between those 3 different rates. And by changing the overlap factor here, you kind of sort out what it is. On, off, on, off. So I could export this out or save it in my Google Drive and use this to actually, in future projects, like if I wanted an Arduino board to turn a light on or off. The last one is pose mode. So I trained to recognize thumbs up or thumbs down. And so again, this percentage confidence shows what that is. And I think by default, since my face was in every sample, it might have recognized the thumbs up as my face. And I could start, and it did sort of recognize my face here. So I could, but I did train it mostly to go off my thumb. So thumbs up, thumbs down. And so your application here is that if you want a gesture-based program, you could do a gesture thumbs up to like jump up, thumbs down to go down a tube or something. And one of the things you could do for fun is have your students actually manipulate this and see if they could trick the system. Like if I go like this, I could have some fun with this. So this is all under Teachable Machine. I'll also include a link to a lesson to an activity that walks you through step by step how to do this in the Teacher Pay Teacher site. If you have any questions, you could always go to teachablemachinewithgoogle.com. And you could also play with this, and actually it'd be fun to do this. You could export out and connect to other projects. And so if you like what you see, give a thumbs up. If not, please leave a comment, and have a nice day.